Video tutorial I will give an uh, overview about our Node.js backend code test. Requirements are written in this PDF. So first of all we should go with the diagram. This is a file sharing API server. Actually it will provide the HTTP REST API to be upload, download and delete the file. It will cover with the storage provider like local storage or Google Cloud storage, and also it will it can verify the uploaded file with private and public keys. So basically when the file is uploaded by post method in the files route, and private and public key will be generated. Through the public key file will be downloaded, through the private key the file will be deleted. For the inactive file for a certain period, this will be clean up by an jobs or something like that. So daily users limiter will be applied for the specific user or a specific IPs. So we will give an broad overview like file sharing API server. Actually it's covered with some of prerequisites. It should be possible to start npm start. So this is the also covered npm test to run the test integration or integration test and unit test. Everything in this application will be configurable, like port to run the server, folder to be the folder will be also dynamic. So requirement was is to upload through post request file endpoint with the multi-part form data, and return with JSON response like public key, private key, as I said before. So you know the requirement. So basically I will go through now with the an overview of this API. So let me go with the postman. Here my server is running. Actually this server is running with local storage provider. So first of all I will post to upload and file. So basically it request with the file key. So you have to choose the file key from the local machine. So let me check, let me choose one of the file to be uploaded. I will go with that file. Okay, open. If I send the button, this field will changed and 201 is created, will be result in response. So let me send it. Send. The public key and private key is generated with the response key. So my server is saying the file uploaded successfully. So let me check the file actually uploaded or not. So I will go through the upload files. Basically this is not opening by clicking it. We will see what's in it. So I will check by public key. I will check the file by public key. So let me paste it through get request. I will send this. Actually I uploaded this file, so this file is showing or downloading through our get method. Okay, if I wanted to delete the file, so I need to provide the private key as the parameter of this delete route. So if I send the request, the file will be delete here. Success true, the file is gone. Okay, so we checked it also. Let me switch between the other storage provider like Google Cloud Storage. So basically I need to switch the env file for the provider changing. So let me comment out the provider local. I will active the provider Google. So I will save this file and rerun my server. So npm run dev, it is saying using storage provider Google. So Google storage provider will be used in this regard. So let me upload another file through Google. So if I choose the file between here, let me check. Okay, I will upload this diagram. So I will select this file, just check. I will send the file, send the request. So new file is generated, upload file upload is successful. So let me check the file is uploaded or not. So I will refresh the Google Cloud and the file is uploaded. Actually here is the object details of that file. So from the public key, let me download or show the get the file. So I will copy the public key and request with the get method files. So let me send it. Here is the chosen downloaded file. Okay, so if I wanted to delete that file, so let me copy the private keys. I will send it to the delete method. I will send it, success true. Let me check whether it delete or not. Yes, it is deleted, file are gone. So the core functionality of these requirements is matched and shown over the so some of the issues and some of the pointed are defined here, like the file limiter and the user will daily download and upload limits. So let me check that too. So I will upload another multiple files like this. So I will send it. Okay, file is uploaded. I will choose another file to be uploaded. So let's say it's okay, send. File is also uploaded. So let me check and refresh. Two files are uploaded. Basically here 4 file you can see. Actually I will manage another metadata file that will cover to that will reference images, actually reference data actually. So I upload many files to check that upload limit is working or not. That's why you can see. So in the configuration files I limited the upload limit is 5 MB. So if I try to upload another file, the daily upload limit exceeded message will be show. So actually you can see there is more file, and for the time being. Here you can see cleanup job is completed, file deleted, last two file were deleted. So here is another two file. Basically the background job actually deleted the file, so we covered another requirement here. The API server should have an internal job to clean up the file confirm period of inactivity. So inactivity time matches and clean the file. Another job clean completed, another file is deleted. Let me check whether it deleted actually or not. So let me refresh. Another file is deleted. So these were the last file I uploaded. So after the inactivity time period exceeded, this will also be deleted. So if I try to upload another file, this will also give the daily upload limit exceeded, because of the references I used to manage the upload in the Redis. So it's exceeded its limit, so that's why you see the message. So now I will check the download limits. So let me check with this public key. So I will go and copy that public key. So I will try to download this, and let me remove the extra file path. Let me check. The uploaded file is showing. If I try to download another file, it will also show the file. Let me check. The daily upload limit is 3 MB. So whether it's working or not, I will try to download another file. So this will also download it. Again it's downloaded. If the limitation reached, the message download limit will be showing. The daily download limit exceeded this time. So this also covered. Okay, so basically it will work actually as it is. The job requirement says it all. So that's all, and let me check another feature. If I go to a new bash like npm run test, so this will test the feature of the init and integration test unit and integration test. So these are the results. That's all about my requirement. Thank you for watching.